So I am currently bricking it because they're about to put me in this thing. Up there, a little cage. The things I do for video content. Looks like we're going shark diving. This might be how I die. Oh my god. Oh my god, look out there. Oh no! Don't walk around. It's terrifying. Ah. Oh, sorry. Oh, I can't look over the edge. Why is it shaking so much? I can't wait to get off this thing. It's like the worst ride. I would like to get off the... Oh, sweet Moses. Absolute madness. It's nearly over. Never again. It's a stupid thing to do. Oh, thank God it's over.
You want to go up again or we stay here?